Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter community health and hygiene. See, nutritious food, personal hygiene, exercise and pursuits of habits lead to excellent health and good personal development. Just as we take care of our own health, we must make efforts to ensure good health for all. Everyone in our society should be able to live the kind of tension free and happy life that we wish ourselves. Good community health and hygiene can be achieved through habits of cleanliness and good health on the part of all the individuals in a community. Pollution, squalor, epidemics of infectious disease, addictions, insect-borne diseases are all threats to community health. To nurture community health is to protect the general public from such diseases and to make a happy and healthy life possible for all. See, the peoples of a country are the most important factors in a country's progress and development. Their health can be protected if they have to have a clean environment, nutritious food, safe drinking water, and good medical facilities. Mass media are used under community welfare programs to educate people about issues such as taking care of drinking water and food. People are urged in every possible way to keep their surrounding clean. It is a legal offense to spit in a public place. The aim of this ban is to prevent the spread of disease. See, if we take care of our health, it is possible for us to lead a wholesome life, keeping ourselves happy and taking an interest in things, avoiding feelings of hatred and envy, and doing what is necessary to maintain physical health help us to achieve this end. If peoples of a society live a healthy and wholesome life, social tensions are also decreases and feelings of a friendship can be nurtured. See, tobacco consumption. Name of tobacco products such as a gutka, cigarettes, BDs, misri, mawa, pan masala, etc. are often heard. We also see many people consuming tobacco in different way. All these are harmful for our health. At first, a person may chew tobacco casually at someone's urging, but this will lead to addiction. The person becomes dependent on tobacco and cannot give up the habit. When people develop this habit, they become restless if they do not get tobacco. They are not able to pay attention to anything else. They have to have tobacco in the mouth all the time. When the habit reaches this stage, it is called an addiction. People addicted to tobacco spit here and there all the time and make their surrounding dirty. Effects of tobacco addiction. Ulcer in the mouth. The ulcer develop into bigger wounds. The person may develop tumors. A lot of time and money has to be spent on treatment. If the wound do not heal, the person has serious problem. This can eventually lead to cancer. Tobacco entering the digestive organs leads to complaints related to them. The constant presence of tobacco presence of tobacco in the digestive organs can cause cancer of any of these organs. A person who develops cancer in this way has to take very painful treatment. Even after that, one cannot be sure that the cancer will be cured. See, alcoholism. Drinking alcohol also has adverse effect on the body. Addictions to alcohol is called alcoholism. Alcohol makes a person drowsy and confused. One lost control over one action. Alcoholism causes disease of the liver, intestine, and urinary bladder. Addictions to tobacco or alcohol are both very bad habits. It is best to stay away from these risks. Never be neglected about health. The condition of the addict becomes pathetic, and the addict's family too has to suffer them. There is no telling how much money will be required for treatment. Besides, everyone is put the great trouble and a lot of time and efforts are wasted. The family gets deprived of health and happiness and its turn. We must be aware that an addict destroys the entire family. See, tobacco, drugs, and alcohol produce a state of intoxication. Addictions to any of them eventually kills you. Every person should beware of the ill effects of these addictions and strictly stay away from them. There are people who lure others into smoking, drinking, or trying out drugs. On no account should be give in their into their pressure. If a person starts getting addicted to smoking or drinking or taking drug, the help of a counselor or doctor should be sought immediately to right the person of the habit. One should eat regularly and take up sports and other habits. One should be firm in avoiding any addiction. See what we have learned. Each person should put in effects to maintain the community's health. We must be alert with respect to matter of public health. Wholesome living leads to good personal and social health. One needs to be firm with oneself to avoid bad habits. Thank you.